Hello there, it's Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you tips on whether you're supposed to install Android 12 beta 3 on your device or not. So this is actually a Google Pixel 3 XL and I'm going to walk you through a little bit of problems I've actually faced after installing Android 12 beta 3 on my device. So first of all, the thing I want to share with you is in the control center right here. So I've actually turned my phone into light mode. You can check it right here. My notification center is actually in light mode, but when I scroll down, my control center right here is still in dark mode, which I don't think is supposed to be in line like that. It actually has to be in line with the kind of theme you've already picked. So you can see I'm using a dark theme right here. Now I switched to dark theme when you check out right here, and then you can see the control center is still dark, but when I turn off the dark theme, you're going to see that everything is going to be turned to light mode, but the control center is actually still going to stay on dark mode. And one thing I also found here was in the app section, when I actually scroll up to just go back to my apps, and you can see this Google search right here is actually still in dark mode, whilst I've already changed this to light mode. So in case maybe I turn it back to dark mode, you're going to see that it's still going to stay there as dark. You can see right here, so you see still it's dark, but when I switch to light mode and then I scroll up here, you're going to see that it's still in dark mode, which is very bad. I think it has to be in line with the theme you've actually picked, and Google actually has to check on this in order to make everything go in line with it. And again, what I want to share with you is the battery life. With this Android 12 beta 3, the battery life is actually very bad. The battery performance with the phone's performance is not really very great, and I'm talking about this because I can actually charge my phone and it's actually going to charge very quickly. Maybe it uses about 1 hour 30 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes, even less, to just charge the phone from 0% to 100%. And the rate at which the battery is going to drain is very massive. It can just drain within like 4 hours without even using it, like 3 hours even without using it. The phone just sitting down without not being touched, it's still going to drain the battery, and the screen is actually going to be very hot to the extent that you might even think maybe it's about to explode or something. On some occasions I was a bit scared the phone was actually going to explode, but it never did. So I think Android 12 beta 3 needs some fixes. So if you've not yet installed it on your device, I'll tell you to actually wait a little while. Probably maybe it's going to be updated, or the final beta update is actually going to sort things out, and then it's going to work perfectly. But initially when I actually installed this on my device, it was a bit buggy. I was finding it very difficult to move in between my apps and all, but now after using it for a while, it became very okay with the system and it's running very smoothly. But with the battery life and how it drains and all, I don't think it's really cool for you to do it, because this is actually my daily driver, and because of that I've switched my WhatsApp to another phone, because when I try texting and all, it wouldn't even last me for like 2 hours. My phone would just run out and I'd have to charge it again. So I just wanted to save the battery health of my phone, so I decided to switch everything from my phone and then make this phone rest till probably maybe the next update or something. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch this other video too. It probably will help you out and then make the use of your phone very easy for you. And without further ado, I'm just gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.